Hello everyone and welcome back. Today before we start, you need to have Visual Studio Code or some other code editor installed, and you need to have Python 3. I'll have those links in the description. So first let's create a folder. Let's call it testbot, and we need to open it, and we can create a new file. Let's call it bot.py, and we need to install discord.py. So we need to go to view, terminal, okay, and here, get our code snippet to install it. Since I've already installed discord.py, it says that my requirement is already satisfied. So let's paste our code in here. I'll have this code in the description as well. Now let's actually create the bot. So you want to go to Discord and scroll down and go to developers. So I've already opened it here. This is my developer portal. We're going to create a new bot. Let's just call it Digibot. Okay, I'll call it Digibot 2. And now we need to create the bot. So we go to bot, add bot, yes, do it. And we need to see it says click to reveal token. We need our token. Go back to Visual Studio Code and we'll paste our token here. Don't try to use this token because by the time you see this video, it'll already be regenerated. So now let's add the bot to our server. So we need to go to our OAuth2. Let's do bot and have it do administrator. We're going to copy this and we're going to open it. Now let's add it to our server, authorize, finish the CAPTCHA, and let's come here. So it says that the server, or the bot is here. Now we can go back to Visual Studio Code and we can run the bot. So we can do Python 3 bot.py, and see, it just came online. It says we have logged in, and we here have if message context starts with hello, then the bot will respond. So let's just copy this. If I send hello, it's going to respond. So if I say hello, it responds. So that's it for today. If you guys want more Discord related videos, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It would really help. Thanks.